Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the text-to-speech language on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select under Accessibility, select the Accessibility tile. And then under Screen Reader, select Talkback, and then select Talk Back Settings. So underneath Options, select the Settings button. Under Audio, select Text-to-Speech Settings, and then select the Language button here, and then you can select a different language from the list. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.